So Anastasia released this little brow gel pomade recently, and it's a very interesting product. So I'm gonna give you everything that you need to know about this little guy right here, whether it's worth the money, how it works, and everything in between. So let's just get right into it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know the shimmy, then you are clearly new here. So my name is Delana Cherie. Today we are going to be doing a wear test review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the DipBrow Gel. So it's supposed to be a brow gel, but kind of like fill in for you to an extent. Like obviously only a gel can do so much and you still want to go in with a pencil, which is what I did today, but it's supposed to take a lot of that workload off of you so that it's just kind of a really easy throw it on kind of thing. And it's supposed to be really long wearing because it is waterproof. So that is what we are putting to the test today. So let's get right into the application. I have the little box right here. I started to open it, but then I stopped myself because I was like, wait, we have to do it on camera. So we're just going to look up the details on this really quick. Okay, so the Anastasia DipBrow Gel, not the DipBrow Pomade, the DipBrow Gel retails for $18 at Sephora, and I have the shade Auburn, but they have 5 freaking million shades here. Under the what it is section, it says a highly pigmented brow gel with a long-lasting waterproof formula for creating fuller looking defined brows like DipBrow Pomade, but in a gel form. Ingredient callouts, it's free of parabens, and this product is also cruelty free. And then what else you need to know, this waterproof formula lasts up to 12 hours. Oh, high promises. The unique applicator allows color to be applied directly onto the brow hairs as well as the skin for a natural looking finish. It's available in 11 shades that match Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade assortment. So some of that was pretty self-explanatory. Ooh, it looks like they have mini sizes as well. Let's see how much those are. $9 if you want to try a mini size, I guess. Wow, brows are intense today, okay? Just because I have not been a dramatic brow person for a while, I think that I might exchange this product for the lighter color. So it has nothing to do with the performance of the product so far. I'm absolutely loving the performance of it. It's just the color. I thought, oh yeah, I'll just try Auburn. But the Auburn is like really red and really intense, which is fine if you like a dramatic brow. So anybody who uses a brow pomade or kind of really likes to draw on their brows every day, this is going to be perfect for you if you're a redhead. But if you are somebody who goes for just like a really light natural feathery brow, kind of like I do, you might consider the caramel color rather than the Auburn color. So that's what I'm thinking right now, but I don't know, maybe the more that I play with it, I will like it a little bit more. Gosh, it just feels like so intense, but I do really like how it applied and everything. It was so easy. Also because of the Auburn color, whenever I did try to pull like the flakes off, it felt like it left a little bit of a red tint behind because of that really warm like red that's actually in the Auburn color. So that was a little bit hard. I feel like that wouldn't normally be a product if it was like a taupe gel or even the ebony that's not, you know, red in the actual product. So they're also gonna look really intense next to me not wearing any makeup. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will see you guys in my next check-in. Right now it is 12 something, probably 1. Oh, it's 1:15. So we are going to be wearing this for at least 8 hours. So yeah, all right, see you guys in my first check-in. I'm filming 2 videos at once right now, so I gotta do a check-in. Whew, I don't know why I feel so tired all of a sudden. All right, guys, so let's have a looky look at this in the sunlight. So it is now 8:22 p.m. So it has been on for a while now. It looks like my brow pencil has worn off a little bit, but overall the gel looks like it's staying perfectly fine. So yeah, I mean, so far I'm really liking the pigmentation of this product. Most of the application of it, other than it getting a little bit weird on the inner corners here, but I feel like that's mainly a bigger problem because of the color that I got and how stark I didn't want my brows in here. Just the stark contrast. So I don't know. I feel like I'm really liking this product so far, and I know that I will be reaching for it again. Still trying to decide whether I want to go get another color, like exchange it for a lighter color that I won't have to be as careful with. But that is what I'm trying to decide right now. There's still many hours left in the day that I'm going to be wearing this for, so I will see you guys in my last check-in. All right, you guys, so it is the end of the night. This has definitely gotten a full freaking wear test. It is 12:15, and what time was it? Like 1:15, so it's been 11 freaking hours. So any way that my products look at this point in the night, you know, we can't be too hard on them. Why don't you guys come in nice and close so you can see what's going on with my brows here. Okay, so I really liked how easy the application was for this product and how quickly it filled in my brows. Like I said, I don't like this brow pencil, so any of like the blotchiness that you see in here is definitely from the brow pencil and not from the pomade. However, my concern is the blotchiness in here that I do feel is from the pomade. It looks pretty bad on this brow, but on this brow, not as bad. I don't know. Again, I'm thinking that if I just get a different color, I'll like it better, but I'm gonna experiment with this one a little bit more. It definitely has worn off overall a little bit. Like in here, I feel like I can see a gap in my brow, you know? So it's not going to stay looking exactly the same, but overall, it looks really good, and I will definitely be reaching for it again and kind of learning how to use it a little bit better, because so far I do really like it. I love the volume and the fill that it gave me right off the bat, so I will definitely be reaching for this product again, and I definitely feel comfortable recommending it to you guys. So far I am feeling like it is worth the $22, I think it was, whatever, $22, not that bad. If you like wear tests like these, make sure to check out this playlist right here where I put together some of my most popular wear tests, and I will see you guys over there. So bye, and I will see you guys over there. Bye.